All right, today we are in front of Mayan Chocolate, and we will talk here with Mr.
Julio Saqui.
And you are the owner, manager?
I am the owner of this small chocolate facility, and this is our little business. It's called Che Mayan Chocolate, which means wild Mayan, because the chocolate, as you know, are owned by the Mayan people. They are the first persons to domesticate it and bring it to the world to be known. So today we call those people as wild Mayas. That is why we call them wild, and our business today is named Che, meaning wild, Che Mayan Chocolate. So yeah, welcome, man. Let's see what we have inside.
Okay.
Come on in. So as we were talking outside, you notice we have here a variety of these chocolate products that we make.
Okay.
So we have them in different forms. We have the dark chocolate in silver foils, and then the milk chocolate in gold foils. And you know, the things that we can find in Belize, we grow mint, we grow chili, we have ginger, we have orange. Of course, this is a citrus belt. And then, you know, we have the regular milk and different flavors of chocolate that we can make here. So we don't import anything from the US in terms of almonds or stuff like that. We don't want
everything is done here.
We give you what Belize produces.
Oh, right.
Belize make. We are all about real Belizean product. So that's for the bars. And looking at this other box here, we have the varieties of the byproduct of the chocolate that is made. In this little container here, as you can see, this is our cocoa powder. This is used to make hot chocolate drinks, to make pastries, cookies, chocolate, cakes, and stuff like that. This is what we make it from. Now, if you are not interested in making chocolate and takes long for you to produce your chocolate drink, we have already worked that out for you. We have what we call the instant chocomaya. This is like the choco choco or the kiwi. Similar, it is made and mixed with cane sugar and all the flavorings, vanilla and all the stuffs. All you really need is just 2 tablespoons into your hot cup of either milk or water, and you just go right on it. Your problem is solved. We start to solve it for you.
Yes.
And if you don't do chocolate, you don't do coffee, you don't like coffee, we also have that problem already solved for you.
Cacao tea.
We are the only producers in Belize that make real cacao tea.
Wow. So that is one little bag.
So that's one little bag
in your cup.
Your hot cup of water, and you drink cacao tea. It's like you're drinking chocolate.
No sugar or sugar zero?
You can add sugar if you want. That's
you can add if you want.
You can add if you want. But if you add milk and sugar to it, it is so delicious, and a little drop of coffee in there, you're drinking mocha.
Wow.
You are drinking mocha. This all comes from this little thing.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
So we make it here. That's not a problem. Now, if you don't want that, my friend, we also make coffee, grade coffee.
Local also.
Locally grown here among the cacao trees.
Among the cacao trees.
And ground coffee. We are out of labels right now. But this is a pound, and we get this coffee from the farm, from the farmers. They bring it, we process it, we package it, we do everything here. We try to be as nice, alright? So here, if you don't want too much garbage to eat, you want healthy, natural food, you want to eat cacao nibs. This, in the US, around the world, is known as superfood. This is crushed cacao that comes from these beans here, right? This is the sun-dried cacao that is roasted and turned into nibs. So this
is that ready to eat like that?
This is ready to eat. It is not sweet. This is bitter because you're eating pure cacao.
Natural.
Now, if you don't,
no preservatives?
No preservatives. Everything is so natural. Now you can add raisins and peanuts and all kinds of other nuts and make your own trail mix with this thing. Alright? So there's nothing that's impossible. Everything is possible. You just have to do it. Alright? So that's basically what we have in this box here.
What was that over there?
And to the very top, you know, it's marked 100% pure cocoa butter. That's cacao butter that is used for skincare product, used to do any kinds of body care, like for spas and those that do massage and stuff like that, that's the
Okay.
butter, except that that is 100% pure. It's not mixed with anything else, right? Now, people also use it to make white chocolate. People use it to make colored chocolate so that they can use it on cake, on pastries, and stuff like that. That is what you need. We make them all here.
How is this reaching the market throughout Belize?
Not yet. It is only stationed in the Stan Creek district here.
So,
It is our intention to start to take it countrywide. As soon as we have all of our agents or people that are interested in selling our product, we are willing to work with them. So right now, we're looking for people that are interested in selling our products in their stores, in their supermarket, or if you want to open up a shop, talk to us. We're willing to supply you, and then you pay us as soon as you sell the products.
can you give us the contact number or an email address where people who are interested might get in contact with
Sure.
you?
I mean, that's not a problem. They can reach me anytime, any time of the day or any time of the night at my personal cell number, which is 637-6521. 637-6521. And you can email us at Julio Saqui at gmail.com. That's our email address. So our phone numbers are all also on WhatsApp. You can get us on WhatsApp. But if you just want to talk to me and find out more, get to our Facebook page. We're under Che Mayan Chocolate, and you can send a message and we can talk back and forth. I'm happy to work with anybody who wants to work with us.
Wonderful. Wonderful. And I see you have other things in your store here.
Yeah, these are other products that what we're trying to do is we're trying to encourage community relationship.
Yeah.
You know, a lot of the business people that I have come across are only about themselves. They only think about me, and always me. But you cannot grow a community if only you grow. We have to grow together.
Yes.
So we have offered all of these products made by the women of the village of Maya Center and other women in the vicinity to bring their stuffs here, let them price it, they put the price, we sell it for them, and as soon as the product is sold, we pay them their money back. We don't keep their money. So these are all products that they make here, and if you can see also on the shelf here, we have all kinds of products from
variety.
basket made from the Jippy Jabba palm, and then some of them make homemade carvings, some of them do wood products, whatever they can. We have an expert person who makes bracelets. You know, we have it. You know, they make it here.
All made here in the village.
In Belize.
In Belize.
Some of these items you will see are similar to that you will find in Guatemala or in Mexico. But what happens is that we have a female who knows how to do this product, is married to a Belizean, and she's making it in Belize, and you want to think it is from the outside, but it's actually made here in Belize.
So people say this stuff is made
Everything is made in Belize.
In Belize, and you are helping promote.
So I'm just helping them to sell their product and promoting their product. I don't make the money from here. They are the ones who make their money. My business is only chocolate.
Chocolate.
Yeah. So
you are collaborating with other businesses?
We have to collaborate. We have to collaborate. So we do this, and then we have another program that we're doing where we're offering cooking experience to anybody, any Belizean who wants to learn how to make traditional Maya food. Come to us. We do that here as well. If you have a tour company, if you are a tour company owner, you have tourists, bring them here. We will show them how to make traditional Maya food, both the caldo, both the tortillas, both the cabbage, heart, palm, and stuff like that. We do it all here.
Okay, that's fantastic. So, one message to Belizeans as a whole and to people beyond Belize.
When you come to Belize, or if you're a Belizean, you have to start to buy your own product here in Belize. If we do not support our own product, we cannot grow, and if we cannot grow, we cannot go international. And if we cannot go international, then we are nowhere and we are nobody. We have to start to love ourselves first. And this will give any entrepreneurs the opportunity to build, because then they can resell and restock and continue growing your business. We have to help ourselves.
Okay, so there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Saqui, right?
Yes.
Thanks so much for telling us about your business and in helping other business, and a nice message to Belize.
Thank you,
We
sir.
have to love ourselves first
We have to love ourselves.
and help one another.
And then we can extend that help to another person.
And we can grow together as a Belize,
As
right?
then together we grow.
All right. So you know now, ladies and gentlemen, what's the name of this village?
Maya Center Village.
Maya Center in the Stanford
District.
District,
District,
the
yes.
southern part of Belize.
Right.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.